So let's begin by installing React. The first thing, you need to make sure that you have Node installed. Okay, so if you don't have Node installed in your computer, you can simply go to nodejs.org and you can download either for Mac or Windows. Okay, so once you do that, if you go to your terminal, you can type node-v for Node version and you will see a Node version. So if you see this, that means you have Node installed in your computer. So once you have that, what we can do is we can go to reactjs.org and we just need to install React using, let me go through get started. Let's go to installation. Okay, we can use CDN links as well, but obviously you wouldn't use that. So let's go do it straight away. So what we can do is we can install this create React app. It is the best way to start building new React applications, single page applications. Okay, so we just need to run this command. So this will install this create React app globally -z. Okay, so let's go and paste that command and hit enter. Okay, I get this error. I just need to run sudo okay. So once that is done, we are ready to create new React projects just by running this command create React app and the name, whatever you like to call it. Okay, so let's begin. Now before we do anything, let's decide where we want to create this application, right? So you might want to create on your desktop or some folders. You can create anywhere because we have installed this globally, so it is available anywhere in your computer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have a couple of folders in my root directory and there is one called React. So if you don't have, you can create one in your root. Okay, so let's change directory cd into React, list all the files. I have all these files. I'm going to create one more, so this time using this command that we just installed, create React app. Let's name it, what do we call it? Let's say La React. Okay, let's do that. So it will take some time. So once it is done, I'll be back. Okay, so once it is done, you'll get this beautiful messages here. You can run yarn start to start the application, yarn build to build this application before you deploy it to your production. Okay, if you're running the test, you can use this yarn test, and if you run this yarn eject, what it will do is this create React app is the kind of a packaged, well packaged system. So if you want to break it out, you would run yarn eject. Okay, so you might not want to do that. And then since we have this already installed, we can cd into La React. Okay, cd into there, and then we can run this application using this yarn start. Now everywhere you see yarn, you can simply use npm as well. Okay, so npm or yarn, whichever you prefer. Okay, so let's cd into this one and then let's say yarn start, or you can use npm start as well. Okay, so once you do that, this will open. Now I have already another application running, so it is asking me to another port. I'll just hit enter. Okay, and there we have our freshly installed React application. Okay, so in this video we just installed React. Now in the next video, let's have a look inside this directory. Let's introduce ourselves into files and folder structures. Okay, so let's do that in the next video. Thank you.